Basic things to know: how to take sounding on main engine scavenge drain tank. Sounding of this tank is part of the daily routine of motorman or oiler. Although it has a simple procedure, but still many people got injured. Let me remind you again mga idolo, itong scavenge drain tank is connected to the main engine scavenge receiver or scavenge port. So kapag natakbo yung makina at meron kang scavenging air pressure, automatic yung scavenge drain tank mo pressurized din. At kapag binuksan mo agad tong sounding pipe para mag-sounding, dyan tayo maaksidente kasi yung pressure na sa loob ng tangke pwedeng tatama rekta sa ating mukha. So to do the proper and safe sounding, close the inlet valve from the main engine. For those who are still in doubt, this is what I mean on the valve that you need to close. So this is the valve from the main engine. So by the time you close this one, there will be no pressure going inside to the scavenge drain tank. And to release the pressure inside the scavenge drain tank, open slowly the vent valve. You can also keep it open until you finish the sounding. It is also a good idea to check the pressure gauge to see if the pressure is totally released. Now that there is no pressure inside the tank, it is now safe to take the sounding. Once you have the reading, please do not forget to put the valves back to normal. So that's it guys. Bye-bye.